What if your next great escape wasn't a destination, but a vehicle? Imagine the freedom to wake up to a sunrise in the Rockies and fall asleep beneath the stars of the Mojave without ever checking into a hotel or booking a campsite months in advance. That's the promise of the 2026 Ram ProMaster Campervan, painted in a bold, arresting red that says exactly what this machine is built for: asterisk living loud, living free, and never looking back star. Welcome to the channel where adventure meets engineering, where design and utility collide with passion for the open road. Today, we're exploring the van that's redefining what it means to be off-grid without giving up comfort or capability. The 2026 ProMaster Campervan is more than just a cargo van with a mattress stuffed in the back. This year's model has evolved into a purpose-built mobile habitat. Ram's engineers have refined the ProMaster's bones, still built on a front-wheel drive platform that makes it perfect for conversions, but now boasting updated steering geometry, enhanced suspension damping, and significantly reduced cabin noise. The result? It drives more like an SUV than a utility box. Under the hood, you'll find Ram's tried-and-true 3.6-liter Pentastar V6, now paired to a refined 9-speed automatic transmission that delivers smoother shifts and more efficient cruising. It's not going to win a drag race, but with nearly 280 horsepower and solid torque, it handles highways, steep climbs, and gravel roads with equal confidence. For those going deeper into the wild, Ram now offers a traction-enhancing grip control system, a smart nod to the van life crowd venturing beyond paved roads. Step inside, and you'll forget you're in a van. The custom interior in this factory-supported camper conversion features a modular layout. Thin convertible bed platform, stowaway dinette, and swivel front seats that turn the cockpit into a cozy lounge. Natural maple cabinetry, dimmable LED lighting, and a compact but fully functional kitchenette with a 12V fridge and induction cooktop bring a touch of boutique hospitality to your mobile lifestyle. And then there's the tech, because yes, this van is smart. With a 400W solar array, lithium battery bank, and optional inverter, you can work remotely, power your drone gear, or even make espresso off-grid. Ram's Uconnect 6 system runs through a crisp 12-inch touchscreen, providing seamless access to navigation, off-grid waypoints, campsite databases, and vehicle diagnostics. The rear of the van opens to reveal one of its most genius touches, a dual-purpose gear garage. With built-in bike mounts, wet storage compartments, and modular cubbies for everything from hiking gear to paddleboards, this van doesn't just get you to adventure, it brings it with you. And let's not forget the color. That deep, glossy red isn't just eye-catching, it's symbolic. It reflects heat less than darker shades and makes the ProMaster stand out on the road at the trailhead or parked beachside. It tells the world this isn't just another white van. It's a lifestyle choice with confidence baked in. The 2026 Ram ProMaster Campervan doesn't pretend to be a luxury RV or a rugged rock crawler. It lives in the sweet spot, affordable, versatile, and customizable. It's built for digital nomads, weekend warriors, full-time van lifers, or anyone ready to trade rent for miles and routines for memories. So if you've ever dreamed of turning the ignition and letting the horizon be your only plan, this might just be the vehicle that makes it real. If you found value in this journey, give us a like. It helps keep us rolling out content for real enthusiasts. Subscribe for more deep dives into the vehicles that aren't just built, they're lived in. And share this video with someone who's always said, "One day, I'm hitting the road." Drop a comment below. Where would you take this red ProMaster first? Until next time, keep exploring, keep driving, and never settle for standing still.